Life is this. I like this.
Guys, you see that right there? You see that right there? That's our wreath. Listen, listen. Put the clip. I don't know if you can hear that, but there are birds chirping right there. And we just took it down, and then we saw the birds. There's 3 of them, and then, yeah. Can you take it down? I'll hold the phone. Okay, you see it?
Can you see that? You getting close to see it?
They're right there. You see it? There's 2 other ones, but
They're
you
lower
can't
down.
see it. Yeah. Those are so cute. Snap a bunch of photos.